Hello students, today we will be dealing with class 6 chapter 1 exercise 1.1. Let us try to solve the second question, which is place commas correctly and write the numeral. What does it mean? What does the question say? क्या करना है हमें? दिए गए word form को numbers में लिखना है and then we need to put the commas correctly in between the number. So, let us read the question now. 7 crore 52 lakh 21,307. As you can observe that there are crore, lakh, thousand mentioned in this question. So, surely we need to deal with Indian place value system. So, my hint is write the number in Indian place value system first. So, the Indian place value system is as shown to you. Here we have 4 periods, namely ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. So, let us try to put the given number according to their place values. So, the number is 7 crore. So, what do you think? Where should I put 7? At 10 crores place? Definitely not. 7 should be there at crores place. Then 52 lakh. It clearly means that 5 should be there at 10 lakhs place and 2 should be there at lakhs place. Then we have 21,000. It means 2 should be there at 10,000s place and 1 should be placed at thousands place. Now we are left with 307. How will I write that? 3 should be there at hundreds place, and as there is no number present on tens, so we will write 0 at tens place. Then we are left with 7. So the place value of 7 is ones. Are we done with the question? No, we need to put the commas correctly in between the numbers. So let's try to put that. First, can you tell me why do we put commas in between the numbers? To represent the given number in thousands, lakhs and crores. So let us try to put the commas. First group will be of 3 digits. So we will put the first comma before hundreds place. Then we will form consecutive groups of 2 digits. So the second group is 2 and 1. That is, the second comma will be placed before 10,000s place. Then the other group is of lakhs. That is, we will put the comma before 10 lakhs place. So, the correct representation of the given number is as shown to you. I hope you are clear with this problem. Let us move to solve the next problem. So, the question is 58,423,202. What do you observe? The change here. Here we are given million in the question. So, clearly we need to deal with international place value system. So, my hint is write the number in international place value system first. So, the international place value system is as shown to you. If you have understood the concept of Indian place value system correctly, so you must be observing some similarity in between Indian and international place value system. Correct. The first period is common for both Indian as well as international place value system. Here the second period is of thousands, in which we have extra place and that place is of 100,000. Then the third period is of millions. So let's start putting the numbers according to their place values. So here we have 58 million. So where should I write 5? 5 will be there at 10 millions place and 8 at millions place. Then I have 423. So 4 should be there at 100,000s place. Then 23. So 2 should be there at 10,000s place and 3 will be there at thousands place. Now we are left with what? 202. How will I write that? 2 should be there at hundreds place. Again there is no digit at tens place. So 0 will be there at tens place and we are left with 2. So at ones place 2 will be there. Are we done with the question? No. We need to place the commas correctly in between the numbers. As we have earlier discussed that here we have only 3 periods. So we will form groups of 3 digits. So here is the group of 3 digits. So first comma will be there before hundreds place. Then here is the group of another 3 digits. So second comma will be placed before 100,000s place. Why should I put the commas in between the numbers here in international place value system as well? To represent the given number in thousands and in millions. So this is the correct representation of the given number in international place value system. So I hope you are clear with these 2 problems. Let us meet in next videos with some another fantastic problems. Till then, keep learning.